Hey folks, thanks for joining. A quick tip. One of my great subscribers, Tom, reached out to me and asked if I had ever done a video on removing kind of a deep scratch or a gouge in wood. And I thought I had, maybe on the Silvertone 4569, there was a deep gouge there in the top left, and I was able to remove it using the technique I'm getting ready to show. Anyway, just to make this show up here on camera, to create like a three-dimensional view, you can see I just took a pencil and I went over this. What I've got is just a damp cloth, and I've got my iron here, and I'm going to just use medium heat, and I'm going to go over this, and what that does again is just raise the grain. Again, I may have mentioned, but if there's a finish on the radio, you'll have to strip the the finish off first. This would damage the finish itself. But if you have bare wood, many times you're able to use this and raise the grain, and then some light sanding a couple times, and just reapply this technique, and should be good to go. So I know you can't feel that on camera, but if I rub my hand over that now, I can't really feel too much of the gouge. So let me just go over it here very lightly with sandpaper. The sandpaper, of course, you use would depend on what type of finish you're working with. Veneers are really fine, and there's not much thickness to them at all, so you can sand right through them in just a couple minutes. So you can see there it's fairly much gone. I can still see just a bit of it. Let me go back over it one more time here. Again, I'm just applying light to medium pressure again with the iron on medium heat. Alright, let's see if that's enough. Don't want to burn my cord there. I think I can still see just a bit of it here. Let me just take my pencil here and go across it, and let's see if we can detect the area. I think that got it. May be able to see just a smidget of it, but again, that was just two applications itself of some heat. Again, a damp cloth and some light sanding. Again, on bare wood, no finish. Finish would have to be removed first, or you probably have a big mess. But that's the technique, Tom, if hope you're watching, that I've been able to use in the past, and with pretty good success. I always try this first before just sanding itself. Hope you found that helpful. Folks, thanks again for watching.